Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make your stock motorcycle exhaust louder. Start by checking local noise laws and inspecting the muffler and baffles for condition. I'll guide you through legal checks, simple maintenance, and safe testing to increase sound without risky hacks. We cover basic tools, how removing or modifying baffles affects tone, and safe ways to test decibel changes while protecting your bike and your ears. Start with baffle options. Reversible changes are best for testing. I'll explain safe trimming, partial removal, and packing materials that alter tone without cutting metal permanently. You'll learn how packing density and material change sound and back pressure, plus how to seat baffles correctly and torque clamps to spec. Follow these steps carefully to avoid leaks, lost performance, or voided warranties while getting a louder, more pleasing exhaust note. After sound changes, consider tuning needs to keep the engine happy. I'll cover when to remap, rejet, or use a fuel controller after removing baffles or installing a slip-on. We'll discuss simple checks for running lean or rich and signs that require pro tuning. This helps preserve performance, fuel economy, and engine life while you enjoy a deeper, louder exhaust note without unexpected mechanical problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.